Hello friends, welcome back. This is an unboxing video of HMT Pilot Classic Black Dial Watch. As usual, I got this watch from hmtwatches.in. This watch comes in a typical HMT hard case. We have the invoice and the warranty card. I got this watch in 2020, but it's been some time that I wanted to make this video. Yeah, and now let's have a look at the watch. Trying to peel off the protective cover. And looks like this crystal doesn't have any anti-reflective coating. It's kind of hard to see through. And this is a typical HMT bracelet. Zooming in a little with different lights, still kind of difficult to see, but in person it definitely looks much better. uh, it is that classic HMT Pilot look. I especially like the red second hand on this, though usually most of the HMT mechanical watches nowadays come with the red second hand, but on this particular model with the black dial, it definitely looks good. And again, those are the hand applied looms. um, a regular HMT case back. And this is how it looks on the wrist. I like the size. It kind of fits perfectly for me. And as you can see, crystal already has few micro scratches. It's really easy to get the scratches on it. Need to be really careful with. And this is for comparison with my HMT Jubilee on a NATO. Now let's try to get the measurements. The strap width over here is the 18 mm, and lug to lug is 40 mm. The case diameter with the crown, that's 38. Yeah. The case diameter itself, it's 36 mm. And I went ahead and put on a Jubilee strap on this. I really wanted to get a Jubilee strap for my Pilot, and I feel this really has transformed the look of the watch. And those are the stock bracelets. And that's how it looks with a new bracelet. Again, I had to do a bit of micro adjustments on the end links, but on the whole I really like the way it looks. And this is how the looms look in the dark. Not too bright. Okay. So that's the final look of the watch on my wrist with the Jubilee bracelet. That's it for this video. We'll meet you again with another watch review shortly. Thank you.